My day 5 meditation morning finished 3 hours. Very happy. Little bit tired. Our God know that. Little bit tired, but very happy and satisfied. So, please accept it all. They accepted my food, and now the amazing experience cannot explain by the word now. Because today is my first day and fifth day, and Dhyan going to finish. Evening I have a challenging, that different thing. I took already one break. I make already video with that experience, but this time experience. I request them give me the lights only. If there is there is no face, there is no identifier, and they show me their presence by their lights. And lights still coming on my body. And this make my body all lights. This make my body all pure. My dhyan finished, my body tired, I cannot take it, I cannot sit. My hip finish. I change position and I change position and again I change position. But still light not finished. Because some lights coming, continuous coming, still is coming. They want my internal body, make it white completely. I can feel some white lights in my body, something happening into my body. So experiences are cannot explain in the beginning. Some 3 lights come. First lights come and they put something on my eyes. No, on the right side. They put something on my eyes and I can feel do. Then here. It's go 15 to 20 minutes. I think I'm tired. Very big lights come on the eyes and they fix something. Then again big lights come. Then sometimes come lights, I'm tired. I say let it come. Slowly one time one lights come, it's like, it's like ball. You see the on the video on the upper, this light, it's come like this, go around and do something here, do something here, do something here, and make it big, very big, very big, very big, very big. And I remember that's much only. And another time, cannot explain now. ओ बोले शंकर बाबा, ओ माशेरो वाली माता तेरी सदा ही जय। गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया। ओ just help me on this life, can help people. I just need the energies. I don't take any energy into my body. I just request them. And evening I have a very high frequency dhyan again. A little bit small, tired. But it's okay. We choose this way. We choose this way. And it's okay. I'm happy with that. And I think I will finish soon if the God bless us. Very positive. And I'm very happy now doing dhyan because I felt that I am a white light person because I'm getting too much white lights and they're going to make me, I don't know. I asked them that only, please, if there is in the Indian we say, who don't have a akar, जो निराकार है, who has only the light. I am the light of that. If I am capable, give me that light. I want to know I belong to who, from where. So I don't know how much is true, but just today the 1.5 hour done. I'm completely on the lights, completely lights. I'm very excited about the next dhyan tomorrow because evening I have some tatak, this high frequency dhyan for the third eyes. And yes, obviously it really work on the third eye because all lights and everything, all here and here only is work. And it's my challenge, always I follow that. Let's see how long it can go. Tatak also going very high. Today is the 5th day. Oh, it's a good news also. This job also doing like this, so I need to find some work. So before I teach somebody long time ago, now she getting again pain. She called me today morning. I go to teach her, and she very happy. She asking me money. I say God bless me. When I don't have money, I have money, but you know when you pray or when you spiritual something, so they always help you. Or is your karma or is their power, whatever. But if you are positive, it always help. So let's see, I finish here and I will talk with them how much money. I want to talk about the big money because big time have to do. Okay, so my main motive right now not to take any power or energy into my body. I just want to know who I am. This is really work, it will show. And I'm worried, not good, not worried. And yes, it's helping me to make the heal people. It's most important for me because it's my karma to heal the people. So some years, 4-5 years, I really want to work here only. There's no plan to go India. I don't want. I don't like. I hate because the people have an attitude very bad. Not everybody, but negativity is everywhere, man. Now the negativity is everywhere in the world. How much you run away? Because you are a good person, so you have to suffer. You cannot be bad as them. Oh, Mahashakti. Thank you. So my prayer finish and meditation finish. Evening we will do the dhyana. Okay? Beautiful, right? तारा शेरों वाली दा बोल साचे दरबार की जय.